We are live on our channel to bring a package that concerns nation, citizens, and any unrest. Situation like this is very welcoming to your very table and on screen. Intelligence control internal issues as there may be wrongdoing and wronggoing and happening at the offices. This is what Brigade Police Station. So I'm live broadcasting with myself, who have always championed the righteousness, defending as a Sumerian with myself and mission led as Sylvester. This is Sylvester, not just Sylvester, but the kingdom led and builder of the nations to show you food, work and get paid. Or where they call for a reserve, you go there and do that which is commanded of you. As a nation and citizen, I show you life, food, and what you need to do, who must intercede on your behalf. Some of you who probably have been put in the wrong places where you are righteous and then they give the righteous place to the wrong. It shouldn't happen. We are saying that we cannot be at a police station or a place that is supposed to work for our need and good and purpose security, as the Lord may have also his prophet and men also working. As they may be doing what they are supposed to do. That's destiny, leading the path of destiny. I told you that I came here several times. We need what? We simply need a draft from the police station, because we've been to the communication centers that manage the voice encryption and somebody's privacy in the text. As Tigo is concerned, Vodafone, MTN, and whatever. Now these have visited their issues several times, confronted with, and then how it has been handled, only myself will tell. So we are live right here saying that there is a need. The police is saying we need a draft form which will be handling the case of replacement of SIM and Ghana card. The enemy has sought to understanding that when they carry your SIM card and phones and things away, they have also carried along the voter ID card, ID personalized to replace SIM, and they are thinking high consciously. And ID cards, voter ID cards, and passport, and then Ghana card. All these things are very sensitive to the level that is high, but they are reasoning to that level beyond. So they carry it away, so that in order to prevent yourself from replacing your SIM with whatever they intended doing with the SIM, they are saying it is with them how long they have had to keep it and deny the right person from getting his own thing. And they are manipulating the police to the certain level that I don't see where the police prophets are working. We have been working all the time, but to no clock, it doesn't stand in one place. The energy source when it comes close to you is different. How we come to handle issue. This is the millennial healing police. I don't want to be in the uniform, one uniform. I'm to transform in every situation what concerns you at your office. I think we need it better than any other person. I tell you, we are the police station. We are there. I want to replace my SIM, and I need the draft form to carry my information. As they tell you, we will need a phone number which I want to replace, and then the Ghana card number on it, because the Ghana card is told the same person who are behind this are doing the same. And they are doing the same to almost every prophet. So you have to understand what righteousness is this. Maybe you have denied some of them too. As they may work you and you won't pay them. You need to pay them. But you need to control things if you claim you are dealing with spirit. If you go to church, the volume of you, the country here is more of what? Church and going to church. Yet you are making crime and robbery common than any other person. Do you understand? Look at how we handle issues. The aloe vera. We were talking about this aloe vera. So somebody came with the same element selling. So I said you can allow that one for them to buy if you have the same. Keep it. So in this case, it doesn't become sin. It's original sin. You see, this is original sin, but not corrupt sin. You should understand the word sin is one of the gods. So even to know that they're keeping it here is the reason they can also sell it here. But not to food you eat. The food you eat should come from your own camp. Having shown this on the live is the same reason you need to cook. Because you are the only one who knows the reason you have planted it. So it will enable you, help you do it. And we don't have to have Ghana card paid. When I was also told, I went to the office, Ghana card around Fair Junction, the office. I went there to replace what I'm saying, and they said I had to pay money, 200 cities. And I said, is it my negligence? A person using this documented Sylvester Kwesi in the worldwide, the only person with Sylvester Kwesi is this. The same person who is teaching you and go and the spirit is this myself. I have not become a small boy to any kingdom, any level. If you are working, find a kingdom you are working for so that you know who they also serve, their spirit and energies. You can't use their magic to corrupt myself and say you are the one the Lord called. I'm at the police station, you to come here. Look, we are ready. I'm at the police station. Come. They are working. They are working. Come to the police station. They are at work. They are telling us there's no draft form to be given to my issue or handling that part. I'm saying you intentionally have manipulated somebody to pick up my cell phones and numbers and robbery. Even they should come and arrest or cause all this. They are making you fanful of a spirit that is not school. And they are saying you should have yourself as in the uniform, failed before the Lord that is justice, that they have tasked you, trained you to go through restlessness challenge. That restlessness challenge and death is the reason you cannot have somebody manipulate you easily or to equal length to measure your strength. It shouldn't happen. You cannot have people at the police station also who could be used by the external person who is not known by the internal coordinating authorities. As some of them, the reason they wear different police uniform or soldier or immigration to just claim we are functioning, only to come and do their own things intelligently to claim you are intelligent. We cannot have this work against the righteous person. If my single issue is why many have their issues solved, then it's better to see myself come to the station so that whoever claims is righteous, that if I'm not a fraud or scam or fraudulent act, I am at the police station. If they claim we are one with their doing or one with their happening and the spirit who form it, you know, we have two issues that the Lord's situation is mean to somebody who can be robbing. But there's another situation which is a different person, Lord. Situation also, fancy, but they are not the same. So robbery of two things or from two persons, they are different kingdoms working. Look, I'm telling you, you don't know the location. Sabs City is a school. I've ever worked in the park. We made it. We made it because the same gardener is just right there on my channel. You see the channel and the gate where I walk in and they walk in my house. We made it at the time and you make a hay. That time you really needed it. You really needed that time. It was serious to be under the sun, no water, and it was in the gray of it decay. And we made it. And at least working one day there will show you what I'm saying. I'm not a person you want to say I'm on the forefront doing wrong. No. I tell you, when you rob my things and they rob you, I don't have any issue to talk about you. I'm the righteous person they say reserved to serve as you cannot fake it. And you did the same. In that case, I cannot agree that I serve that level. Yet we are working beyond you being saved. We are working beyond you being saved. That's what you should understand, that I'm not fake. And you can't fake my issue. Look, in the righteous person, fake is original. There's nothing fake than being in the same situation. I'm a nation born. Sylvester Kwesibekwe is kingdom birth. Royal is this. You can't tell me that we have connected with somebody wrong act and then we're doing the same. We don't do that. It's not functioning like that. I've been to what? Brigade several times on the same issue. So the two police stations that we're in, brigade, that is divisional command, they have also fallen into the same work of the enemy. That's why I'm telling you this. They have also fallen the same way. That place I've been there several times. Here is just too close to myself, so I can come here as many times. But that which is at the divisional command, since they also fail. They will say, go and come. Go and come. That's what we need right now. The draft form we need now to solve internal issue, that which you are preventing, so it will not escalate to the level that you need to travel out of the country if the person's identity has been robbed to taking the wealth of this country to other country. What are you defending? That's why you didn't defend. Because failure to doing this is you didn't defend. You allow strength to come from your opponent or enemy to carry your best away. You don't have to do this. That's not where the Lord called you. So at this point, I cannot agree. The agreement is let's come to work, solve the issues at hand. These are konga. You call it konga. Can dead. You see, it's broken. Who will fix it? Then they told you, culture. These are the reason you went to school. You didn't go to school to wear the uniform. They said that you may know something that is concerning the nation and nature and something that you may care for it. This is the reason you have been trained. Care for it. This is the reason. So that when it's falling, you exalt and support it from falling. And you are doing it like that. Thanks so much. We can't go any further because I told you. Let me tell you, I'm supposed to go. So we'll be right back. Thank you. Yeah, we're talking. We ought to be back. And maybe they gave me time to come 4 o'clock. So I'm going to come to this place again. Thanks.